Oh my god, what is this? Another unboxing? You thought there couldn't be, you thought there would be too many unboxings, but there can never be too many unboxings, or however that saying goes. I'm a professional actor here, guys. Thank you very much. My acting is better than all of Pornhub combined. Let's now open this box. We need a Marcus tripod fund. This ain't working out too well. I'm using my hands and scissors. I'm gonna cut myself one day, and I'm gonna lose my thumb, like in one of my previous videos. I'm trying to get it. So pry it open. We're just gonna pry it open. Monkey mode! We need some help going monkey mode. Let's go like this. There we go. Monkey mode. Here we got this. Here we go, guys. Oh god. I think I might have exposed the tracking number. Just don't track it, please. I'll probably censor it out anyways. Okay, so open this bad boy up. Ooh, a lot of paper. I'll be using this. Thank you very much. Oh, what is this? There you go. There's the funny pod. Go away, paper. Look at that charger. It's in pretty good condition. Let's open this thing up. There you go. There's your charger. And here's the pod itself. Wrapped in tissue paper. That. Gone until it's broken. This thing worked. Look at that. Beautiful. 10 gigabytes. Compared to the other one, which is 20, which I have laying around somewhere else. I don't feel like getting it out. Let's turn on that. Where is it? Backlight. Timer. Yeah, there you go. You can actually see what I'm doing. Yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful. And before we go, we gotta compare the two. So we got my 20 gigabyte, the first video I made on this one. Look at that. Works perfectly fine. It's unlocked. Look at that. There you go. Beautiful. This one's charging, but we can still look at it. Look at that. Beautiful. Works perfectly fine. So that's the backlight on. It's charging. The battery is a bit weaker on this one. Might have to replace it at some point. These are really easy to open. Yeah. I already got into both of these, looked at them. They're all good. And have a little stand for it while it's charging. Look at that. Beautiful. And I grew sleeves and during the transition. Thank you. It's a talent of mine. And we got a lot of school utensils now over there. We upgraded the quality of the studio. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where I fix up a retro 4th gen iPod. Not really retro compared to this.